Hey guys, so today I am bringing you this New Year's Eve, it's kind of like a classic, I feel like it's pretty classic, silver and black smoky eye and a nude lip. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by using my Profusion Pigment Base eyeshadow primer to prime my lids. I haven't done a silver and black smoky eye in like forever. They used to be my favorite thing to do because I just thought they were so pretty. And I had this like little duo thing that I took out of my mom's makeup collection that had a silver and a black duo, and I would just put the black straight on and then apply the silver with it. But it was just like one of my favorite things to wear. So I used to constantly wear that like all the time. Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm gonna use the shade Rolling in Dough, which is just a matte nude shade. But yeah, just set my inner corner to brow bone with that. And then I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow in the shade Nude Awakening. This is a beautiful palette for like black smoky eyes. It even has a black in it. I've used this like every time I've done a black and silver smoky eye. I'm going to use this transition shade. It's a nice cool toned transition color. And I'm using my Morphe JH32 brush, and I'm just applying that in my crease. As my transition shade. I'm gonna use this like dark gray brown right here. It's like a really cool toned, kind of like a charcoal, and it's really pretty. It's not quite black, so it's a nice shade to apply in that crease to deepen it up but not go straight to black, just to help build it up slowly. And I'm using my Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush with that. And if you don't want to go full black, you can just use this shade. It's very, very pretty. It's kind of close to black, but it's not quite black. So if you want to really be careful and you're very new to this and you don't want to go too harsh, you can just stick with this. And I'm just going to go back with that first shade we used and just kind of go over that just to blend it out. And I'm going to jump back into the Too Faced palette, and I'm going to use the shade Decadent, which is this amazing black. And I'm using the Morphe JH43 brush. It's like a flat brush like this, and I'm just gonna press that down into the crease, like the very deep crease of my eye, to create that cut crease effect. I'm gonna take that same shade with this Morphe JH39 brush and just go on the outer corner with that a little bit more, just to deepen that up. It's like a domed brush. And then go back with a little bit more of the shade we used before and just kind of add that on the outer part of that black. Okay, and then I'm going to use my Profusion Pigment Base eyeshadow primer in white, and I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. concealer brush. I'm gonna take like a tiny little bit of that on the brush, and I'm gonna use that to cut my crease and add a nice base to my lid for the silver shadow that we're gonna put down. Just go along where the natural crease is. I have that cut. I'm going to use my Morphe M421 brush, and I'm going to use the shade Drippin' Diamonds, which is this beautiful silver. It's so pigmented and amazing, and I'm just going to press that right on top of that base. Then I can just go back with that like domed brush and a teeny tiny bit more black, like one tap in the pan, and just go back over that silver just to trace where the black belongs and help really intensify that cut crease like that, see? And then I'm gonna go back in with the domed brush and the black and just intensify that on that outer corner and kind of blend the silver and the black together right there. I totally forgot to use tape and to create like a nice straight shape, like, because I want it to wing out. So I'm just gonna try to use a makeup wipe and create that. So I'm just gonna take the makeup wipe and go from here and just create a straight line like that. So now I'm going to do my face makeup. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer to prime my face. And then I'm gonna use my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation to dot that on my face. So I'm just gonna blend that in with my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. And for concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on all my spots and my under eyes. Then to set my face, I'm going to use my Hailey's Beauty Retouch Soft Focus Setting Powder. And I'm just going to dip it in the powder and press it down on my face to set my makeup. Okay, so then for bronzer, I'm going to use my Milani Sun-Kissed Silky Matte Bronzing Powder. It's the more on the neutral, cool tone side one. I feel like it matches with the more cool toned silver and black eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Essence The Blush in the shade Believing on my cheeks. It's like a mauve-y pink. Oh my gosh, that was way too much. I feel like this is the perfect highlight for New Year's. This is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Diamond Lily. It's literally like a silver highlight, but it's so pretty. So I'm gonna use some of that. I'm only gonna take a little bit, or I'm gonna try to only take a little bit. Oh, that's pigmented. And I'm gonna put it just right here to highlight. Then I'm gonna set my face with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. Okay, so then I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows with my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. And I'm going to take that same highlighter that I used on my face and use it in my inner corners. I'm going to use my Kokie Velvet Smooth eyeliner in the shade Sterling Silver on my waterline. And I'm just going to apply my ColourPop Act Natural mascara. Then I'm gonna put on my Kiss So Wispy number 11 lashes with my Kiss Lash Glue Liner in black. Okay, so then for my lips, I'm going to use my Maybelline lipstick in 920 Nude Lust. And I'm going to top that off with the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick in the shade Caught You Bare Naked. And this is the completed New Year's Eve makeup look. I feel like it's very classic and it's very pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.